Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use the bedtime in your iOS device. So if you want to set your bedtime schedule, you have to open the Health app and tap on the browse. Now select the sleep and open it. Now as you can see, we can tap on the add data or just tap on the your schedule. So just tap on edit it, and now you can select your bedtime. You can also use the alarm and the settings of it. Now click on the done, and that's it. We have a new schedule of the bedtime. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.